Hello, my name is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're looking at a 2014 Ram 1500 ST Quad Cab. Under the hood we have a 5.7 liter V8 Hemi and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in bright white. It looks great. You get that chrome accenting on the grille as well as the chrome bumper on it. You do have halogen quad headlamps right there. They are incredibly bright. You do also have 17-inch rims with Goodyear brand tires. Still lots of tread left on them. You have the 1500 logo there and the Hemi logo, as well as heated exterior mirrors hanging out right there. Now coming around the back, we do have a 6-foot box. You got your Ram logo and your 4x4 logo. Open this guy up. It is painted in the same color as the rest of the vehicle. It looks awesome and you'll be able to haul a lot of stuff. Okay, we got our keys here. 2 press to unlock, 1 press to lock, and you got your panic button up there. But let's unlock and take a look. So on the door here we do have our handle. We have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all right there, as well as another handle. We also have some storage right down there. To lean your seat back is right there. And for your lights, you do have off, on, daytime running lights, and your auto, as well as your in-cabin light control here. And then over here you do have the control over your turning signal, your high beams, and your windshield wipers. Okay, in the vehicle now, let's start her up. Key in the ignition. And we are good to go. Now in the center here we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and our engine temperature. In the center we also have what temperature is outside, and we do have how many kilometers, 66,000, not too many. Now you can also switch that guy around. You got your speedometer, your vehicle info, fuel economy, trip A, trip B, messages, screen setup, settings, and you can turn the menu off if it is distracting to you. You do have all that control from right here with your horn in the center and your cruise control options on the other side. This guy here is our gear shift. Very nice. Now you do have your radio in the center. You have FM, AM, and Sirius XM, as well as you have your media player if you have one hooked up through USB or through an aux cord. You also have your presets right down here, your info, your ABC, and your volume up and down with your mute, your skips, your audio, your menu, your back, and your browser there. And then down on the climate control, we have the power up and down with circulation, hazard lights, heat and AC, where it's going to blow out of, and you do have your tow and haul mode, and you also have your traction control. And then right over here we have our controls over our 2-wheel, our 4-wheel lock, and our 4-wheel low, and a little bit of storage there, a little bit more down there. And in the center you have 3 cup holders with your armrest that doubles as a storage container. You do over here have an aux cord and a USB plug-in for your media devices and another plug-in. So you also have another seat right under here if you lift it up, so it does seat 6 people all together. And over here you do have the dual glove boxes to the top and the bottom, so lots of room to put whatever you might need to. Okay, let's take a look in the back here. It is a quad cab, so you got quite a bit of room back here. Very nice door. You do have the same handle. You have a handle here, and then it is very soft back here. It is the same material as the front. Very comfortable. It'll be good on car trips. You have 3 seats back here. You can also lift this guy up, and you have some additional storage just underneath with your cup holders. And there's our 5.7 liter V8 engine. Well, that does it for my walk around video, the 2014 Ram 1500 ST. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to one of our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.